Going to discuss about important JavaScript introduction, which is what is the purpose of the array splice method in JavaScript. So let's go and discuss little bit definition about it. So here we have the definition for splice method, which is the splice method is used to modify an array by adding, removing or replacing elements from an array. So unlike slice, which does not change the original array, splice modifies the original array in place. So this is the main difference between slice and splice method, which is splice always modify the original array. Over here we have the syntax called splice method, in which we have an array and then we are applying splice method, and we have to specify start index, delete count and items. So start, the index where changes begins, delete count, the numbers of element to remove, item 1, item 2, elements to add at the start position. We'll discuss some example related to splice method. So here we have our first example. So in this example we are going to remove elements from an array. So in this example we have a variable numbers, and in which we have an array of numbers, and now we are going to remove some item from it. So we apply numbers dot splice method and we are passing 1 just because we are start removing from index 1, and then we are going to remove to digit from here. So in the console numbers we have in our original array digit 10, 40 or 50, just because we removed successfully 20 or 30 from indexing 1 and 2 items. So in our second example we are inserting element to an array. So in this example we have a variable fruits, in which we have some name of fruits, and now we are inserting orange and grapes at index 1. So we are writing syntax like fruit dot splice, and we are passing 1 just because we are going to start indexing from 1, and we did not delete anything, and we are going to add orange and grapes from index 1. So in the output, in fruit variable we have apple, orange, grapes, banana and mango, and you can see that we successfully inserted orange and grapes here. So that's how splice method works. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and follow for more updates.